Okay, we're going to look at example 10. Example 10 is about Mark and his new job and his health insurance. Mark just got hired as a sports announcer and signs a contract for $41K. Mark will be paid weekly and his health insurance will be deducted from each check. The health insurance will be 13% of each check. How much will he pay each week? And how much will his annual cost for healthcare be? Okay, so breaking this down, first thing we're going to do, just like question 9 or example 9, is we're going to look at that 41K. We remember that 41K is 41 times 1,000. Easy peasy. So Mark makes $41,000 annually. Good stuff. Okay, Mark is going to be paid weekly. We do know that. And his health insurance is going to get deducted from each check. If you have a job, you know that's how it works. If the health insurance will be 13% of each check, we need to find the cost each week and then the cost for the full year. In order to do that, we are going to do two things. First, we are going to find his weekly pay. To find his weekly pay, we're going to take his $41,000, forgot the one there, $41,000 annual, and we are going to divide that by that weekly amount. Now we know that there are 52 weeks in a year, so we need to split that up. Okay, go to Desmos, divide that out so we can find out his check amount. I'm going to delete those out for keeping it clean here. 41,000 divided by 52 gives me $788.0.461. Again, we're going to round this. So since that third decimal is a 1, we're going to just round that off at 46. So $788.46 is his weekly pay. All right, kind of doable. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to find how much of that $788.46 check is going to go towards his health insurance. They told us that it was going to be that percentage. And in that previous question, I told you easiest way to do with anything with a percentage is to just make it a fraction because percent means out of 100. So I'm going to take my 788.46 and I'm going to multiply that by 13 out of 100. That's going to give me my actual amount here. Go back to Desmos real quick. And I'm going to type in 788.46 times the fraction 13 out of 100. And it looks like 102.499. So I'm going to go ahead and just round that up and say that if it's 0.499, that's actually going to round up to 50 cents. So 102.50 is the amount he's going to pay each week. That is his weekly amount. Sorry, writing on the screen with my finger is not the prettiest. But $102.50 is what he gets paid each week. Now it also wants to know what he pays to the insurance each week, but it also wants to know what he pays annually. Easiest way to do that is if he makes $41,000 annually and he's paying 13% to his health insurance, we're going to take that total amount of $41,000 and multiply it by the 13%, just like we did with the weekly. So 41,000 times 13 out of 100 gives me a total for the year in the amount of 5,330. Sorry, I don't want to run out of time on my video here. So the amount he pays annually or yearly, I should have gone with yearly, it would have been easier to spell. There we go, is 5,330. So that's the answer to both of those questions that it asked in this example.